Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's video, I would like to explain how to calculate the sigma level based on our data in the Excel. To calculate that one, I already download the Six Sigma, simple Six Sigma calculator. Yeah, you can find it easily in the internet. You please download it. Yeah, that is there. Yeah, actually. So I will make use a new sheet to describe our problems. Okay, let's start with the problems. Yeah, let's say this is a pizza company. Yeah, they have a promise, yeah, to deliver the pizza. Delivery time 15 minutes. Okay, so they said we will provide you within 15 minutes. And then we collect the data. Yeah, we collect the data from day 1 until day. This is a number of data, and this is the delivery time. Delivery time. Yeah, to make it short. Yeah. Okay, let's say we have first 25 customer. So we have this 25 customer. And then the delivery time is actually, I will generate it randomly, and between 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so that is the delivery time. I will copy this to make it fixed. Okay, so having this data, what we want to know regarding the process is whether our sigma level of all the process is good or not. It is average industry 3 to 4 sigma level or 5 to 6. Yeah, that is the world class. So let's start with calculating the average. Yeah, this is the average time. Yeah, average time. So just use the formula, Excel formula, and select the data. So we got the data of 12.56 minutes, yeah, for the average time, and then the standard deviations, yeah, standard deviations. Because what? Because deviation in Six Sigma, our enemy is the variations. So we need to measure this variation using the standard deviation. So using the formula of standard deviations of this data, so we got 1.9 minutes. Yeah, 1.9 minutes. Yeah, so make it okay, 1.92 minutes. Okay, what next? What next is actually I will draw the normal distribution to reflect this data. Okay, so for example, yeah, I will start with this. Yeah, so this data is actually like this. Yeah, this is the center is 12.56 minutes, and then our maximum time is 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes, right? Yeah. So everything's less than 15 minutes is a successful process, and then more than 15 minutes is considered defect. Yeah, so we call as a defect. Okay, now how to calculate the probability of defect? So refer to the previous topics. We can calculate using Z value. Yeah, this is Z value is 15 minus 12, the average 5.6 divided by sigma. The sigma is 1.92. Okay, so back to the Excel, I will calculate this. This is the Z value. The Z value is 15 is our standard minus the average, yeah, divided by sigma. Sigma is standard deviations, so we got a 1.27, and then probability of the green area, Okay, I don't have the green here, so I will use this. So this is the accepted area. Yeah, so this is the acceptance area. We can call it using the norm distribution using Z value. So we got that 89%, yeah, 89%, yeah, if we use the percentage. So that means the process, yeah, 89% of the process deliver within 15 minutes, while, yeah, this is a defect area, yeah, rejected area, or this is actually defect, and this is defect. So that is 1 minus this, okay? So 10%. You see, actually based on this data, there is no data more than 15 minutes. So that is not the time for you to satisfied with the process, because there is no data more than 15 minutes. But actually, because you have variations here, yeah, it is presented by the bell curve, so there is possibility to have a defect. So the defect is 10%. Yeah, 10% is quite big. So then, to calculate, back to our goal, yeah, to calculate the, what is it, sigma level. So you need to calculate dpmo. What is dpmo? Defect per million opportunity. So what you need to do is the defect, yeah, the defect or rejected area, you multiply by 1 million. Okay, so that means, yeah, this in 1 million. In 1 million, there is possibility of defect is about 101,000 defect per million. Okay, that is big, right? And then the sigma level, this is our goal. The sigma level, you can calculate actually manually, but because we already have the calculator, so we copy this dpmo. You go to the calculate sheet, you put the dpmo at the dpmo cell, yeah, okay. Oh, sorry, this is a formula, yeah. So I think we need to copy. Okay, then we copy to this. What's wrong? Okay, you need to copy here. Sorry. One. Okay, so with 101,000 defect per million opportunity, the sigma level is 2.77. So this is a 2.77. So from these illustrations, actually, although the process is actually sounds good because no data more than 15 minutes, but because of standard deviation 1.9 minutes, it will in the long terms, yeah, will make a defect about 101,000 defect per million, and then because of that your sigma level is 2.77. yeah, so actually it is less than 3 or 4. That is the industry average. So it means that there are a lot of room for making improvement in this pizza company. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.